Welcome, today I am with E63S AMG and I will show you how you can connect your smartphone with this car. So at the first you have to find phone application on your touch screen and enter for it. And right now you have to click to connect device and then you have to click to connect new device. Right now you have to grab your smartphone and enable Bluetooth, so we can make it by going through the quick panel. So just tap on the switcher to turn on Bluetooth on your device. And as you can see right now on our touch screen is Zenfone 7 Pro, so that's my private smartphone and I'm going to connect with this one. So you have to simply tap once and then you got this kind of the notification on your smartphone, so you have to click pair. And as you can see right now we are finally connected. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.